Are wheel spacers a good idea for Tesla Model S?
The basic function of Tesla Model S wheel spacers is to provide extra space between the wheels and hub assembly. This is helpful to avoid tire rubbing when upgrading to aftermarket suspension components. Perfect-sized Tesla Model S wheel spacers make a difference in friction reduction and handling enhancement. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers' high precision makes the spacers fit the hub better. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration. Additionally, BONOSS Forge active cooling Tesla Model S wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. In this case, BONOSS Forge active cooling Tesla Model S wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.